If you are an artist or drawing lover, then a drawing tablet is a must-have gadget for you. You can easily create detailed artwork on any computer with the precision of a pen. If you are looking for the best drawing tablet available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. The 5th product on this list is the Simbans PicassoTab XL. The Simbans PicassoTab XL is an excellent drawing tablet that allows artists to create anywhere without the need for a computer. It's a standalone device with an 11.6-inch screen, providing a larger surface for detailed artwork. The screen features IPS HD resolution, ensuring vibrant and crisp visuals, making it perfect for artists who require clarity while working on their projects. Its 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity give you precise control over your strokes, enhancing the drawing experience. This tablet comes with a variety of useful accessories, making it an all-in-one package for beginners and hobbyists. It includes a pressure-sensitive stylus pen, a pre-installed drawing app, and 4 bonus items: a tablet case, a drawing glove, a universal power adapter, and a screen protector. These extras ensure your device is well protected and ready to use right out of the box. The PicassoTab XL also offers versatility beyond just drawing. It operates on the Android system, so you can easily install apps for entertainment, gaming, and productivity. With 64 GB of storage, you'll have ample space to store artwork, download apps, or keep other content. The 4th product on this list is the GAOMON PD156Pro. The GAOMON PD156Pro is a versatile 15.6 drawing tablet designed to meet the needs of digital artists, illustrators, and graphic designers. It features a full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p, offering vibrant colors and a 120% sRGB color gamut, which ensures that your artwork appears clear and true to life. The screen's 178 degrees viewing angle allows for consistent picture quality from any direction, making it ideal for collaborative work. One of the standout features of the GAOMON Pro is its full laminated screen technology, which eliminates the air gap between the screen cover and display layer. This results in reduced parallax, providing a more natural drawing experience with no distortion from light refraction. The pre-applied anti-glare film further enhances the drawing experience by reducing screen glare, giving you a smooth, paper-like surface to work on. The tablet comes with a battery-free stylus with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt support, offering precision and responsiveness. This is complemented by customizable express keys and a powerful dial key, which allows users to streamline their workflow and quickly switch between functions. The 10 programmable hotkeys can be adjusted to suit your needs, making it easier to access the tools you use most. Still haven't found the best drawing tablet for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the HUION KAMVAS Pro 16. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 offers a high-quality digital art experience with its stunning 15.8-inch screen and impressive features. With a 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution, this tablet provides exceptional clarity, bringing every detail of your creation to life. The full lamination technology minimizes parallax, ensuring that the cursor appears exactly where you want it to, even at the edges of the screen. Additionally, the anti-glare glass reduces reflections, while the IPS panel allows for vibrant colors that remain true from wide viewing angles of up to 178 degrees. The tablet delivers true-to-life colors with quantum dot technology, covering 99% of the adult sRGB color gamut. This wide color range ensures smooth gradations and precise color reproduction, making it perfect for tasks like photo editing, video editing, and graphic design. Whether you're working on professional content or just exploring your creativity, the HUION Pro provides colors as intended by the creator. Equipped with the advanced HUION PenTech 3.0, the battery-free stylus offers an excellent drawing experience with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and a fast 300 PAPS report rate. This means you get natural precision and control with every stroke, whether you're sketching or writing. The tablet also allows you to customize shortcuts using the pen side buttons and 8 express keys, enhancing your workflow. With its USB-C connectivity, the HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 is compatible with a wide range of devices. It's designed to simplify your setup, providing a clean and efficient workspace. The second product on this list is the XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is a versatile and high-performing drawing tablet that offers an exceptional experience for digital artists and graphic designers. Featuring a large 16-inch QHD display, it boasts a resolution of 2560 by 1600, providing sharp and detailed visuals. The full laminated, anti-glare etched glass screen ensures minimal parallax, making it easy to position your strokes with precision. With a 16:10 aspect ratio and wide 178 degrees viewing angle, the display offers great flexibility for creative work. One of the standout features of the XPPen Artist Pro is its advanced X3 Pro stylus, which offers an impressive 16K pressure sensitivity. This is twice the pressure levels of most competitors, ensuring precise, responsive, and smooth drawing. Whether you're working on intricate details or broad strokes, the stylus delivers an unparalleled level of control. The tablet also supports tilt functionality, enhancing the ability to create dynamic and expressive lines. The tablet is known for its excellent color accuracy, covering 99% of the sRGB color gamut. This allows artists to work with vivid colors that are true to life. Additionally, the ergonomic design includes a foldable stand for comfortable viewing and an X-Edge wrist rest to reduce strain during long sessions. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 integrates seamlessly with various digital art software, making it a reliable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Before we reveal the top drawing tablet on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top drawing tablet is the Wacom Movink. The Wacom Movink drawing tablet with a 13.3-inch OLED touchscreen, with its ultra-thin, lightweight build, this tablet is highly portable, weighing less than 1 pound and measuring just 4 to 6 millimeters thick. This makes it an ideal option for use both in the studio and on the go, whether you're on campus or working from home. One of the standout features of this tablet is its impressive Pro Pen 3, which offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and detailed artwork. The pen is designed specifically for the Movink tablet, and it includes extra nibs stored at the back for added convenience. The pen also has 3 customizable side switches for easy access to important functions, making the creative process smoother. The tablet's vibrant OLED touchscreen displays rich, lifelike colors with a 10-bit color depth and a high contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1. This ensures that your digital artwork looks true to life, whether you're working in ADOD RGB or other color spaces like sRGB or DCI-P3. For easy use, the tablet features touch gestures, on-screen shortcuts, and 2 customizable express keys that streamline your workflow, helping you work faster and more efficiently. Overall, the Wacom Movink is an excellent choice for both professionals and students, offering a high-quality, responsive drawing experience in a portable, feature-packed package. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.